Kleko Kids TV.
Hello friends. Today, we're on a shadow safari. Can you guess which animal is hiding in the shadows? Let's find out together. Look at those big floppy ears and that long trunk. Did you guess it? It's a mighty elephant. Elephants can drink up to 50 gallons of water a day. They use their long trunks like a built-in straw. Here comes another shadow. What could it be? What do you see in the shadow? It's a leopard. Leopards are expert climbers and love resting on tree branches. Whoa, look at that big horn and tough body. Did you guess it right? It's a strong rhino. Rhinos have thick armor-like skin, but they love rolling in the mud. It keeps them cool and protects them from bugs. This shadow is big, round, and huggable. What's your guess? It's a bear. Do you think it's looking for honey? Bears love munching on berries, honey, and fish. When winter comes, they snooze for months in a cozy den. Wow, this shadow has two humps. What animal carries its water in its humps? It's a camel. Camels can go days without water, thanks to their humps. Ooh, look at that big fluffy mane. Who could it be? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. What sound does a lion make? The bigger the mane, the stronger the lion. Look up! That neck is so long. Can you guess what it is? Yep, it's a giraffe. A giraffe's tongue is as long as your arm, and it's blue. They use it to grab leaves from tall trees. You're doing awesome! Let's find out what's next. This one's tricky. Can you guess it before it appears? This big cat has stripes all over and is a super sneaky hunter. It's a fierce tiger. Each tiger has its own unique stripe pattern, just like a fingerprint. Whoa! This shadow is huge and has a super long neck. Could it be a dinosaur? Yes! It's a brachiosaurus. With its super long neck, Brachiosaurus could munch on treetops. But don't worry, it was a gentle giant that only ate plants. Great job guessing, little explorer. You found all the animals hiding in the shadows. Stay tuned for more fun and games with Kleko Kids. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.